Hey everyone, this is Wicked Cushions and today I'm going to show you how to replace and upgrade your Steel Series Arctis earpads. The model I will be using today is the Arctis Pro, however, it is the same process for the Arctis 3, 5, 7 and Pro wireless. The first step will be to remove the old earpads. Hold the earpad with 2 fingers from within as I show and slowly pull it out of its socket. The way that the Arctis earpads are attached is by inserting the backside lip of the earpad into a socket that is located on the headphone cup, which is what you will need to do with the new earpad as well. Now grab your replacement earpads and let's get on to installing them. One thing you will notice immediately is that our earpads are much bigger than the stock. With an increased inner opening and thickness, you can play for hours long without feeling any pain or discomfort with your Arctis headphones. And that is before I mention our slick black camo design, which immediately transform your Arctis headphones with a whole new look. While there is no left and right for these earpads, there is the top and bottom. You can easily spot the bottom by looking for the seam on the earpad itself. Now grab your earpad comfortably with your pointing finger inside of the earpad so you can easily direct it. You are going to start from the top by inserting the backside lip of the earpad into the slot. Once a part of the backside lip is inside, you are going to stretch out the earpad around the headphone cup and the rest of the backside lip will follow into the slot as well. After you have installed the earpad, simply twist it left and right in small motions for the lip to fully insert itself all the way into the slot. Now follow the same process with the other earpad. And that is it! You have successfully replaced your Steel Series Arctis earpads. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us or ask us in the comment section below. Please subscribe to our channel as we release more how-to videos for different headphones every month.